These kids are having fun on this swing. Check this out. I want to thank the brand for partnering with us on this video. So we are swinging right now and having fun. I'm going to show you how we put this together real quick here in this time lapse. This has 600-pound capacity, comes with 60 millimeters reinforced steel, and has 3 different swings. It has the belt swing, has the platform swing. Lots of fun, and there the kids and mom are playing right now, and look forward to showing you all about this swing. This swing can hold 600 pounds capacity, so we are way under that with these kiddos and mom. This is a 60 millimeter pipe right here. Comes in a lot of different sections that you'll have to put together with all these bolts and washers and nuts and stuff. Down here on the bottom, you literally corkscrew into the ground this thing that you secure to the ground, and that's what keeps it from tipping. And look at these kids and mom just having fun here on the swing. Yeah, they're loving it. There's a platform swing right there. Comes with 2 belt swings, and looks like a lot of fun. I think I'm gonna have to give it a go myself pretty soon and try it out. Yeah, for sure. They're loving it. There's a platform swing right there. Comes with 2 belt swings. All right, here we go with mom and the girls playing on this swing. Yeah, they're loving it. Okay, here we go.
Oh no, Daddy's gonna throw it.
Oh!
It worked.
Whoa!
Whoa.
Whee!
Daddy, look up.
Oh, this is a trip. Oh, this is a pretty fun swing. The kids seem to like it. That's the important thing. If you want more product reviews like this and other fun reviews, subscribe right now and hit the notification button so you are updated with our product reviews. Bye.